Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at 2026 first annual What the Huck? We've got a great looking airplane already in flight. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Make it happen.
He said the same thing. I'm just going to tell you how it was out at the field.
All right, now come on over here and introduce yourself, seeing how he can't do it. Oh, this is my dog.
Oh, look at that, folks. Look at that. Folks, that's Huck and Butter right there. Huck and Butter. There's nothing hucking better than that Huck and Butter. And I can huck and guarantee. Look at that. What a great beginning. What an amazing event. All right, friends. More to come.